Hello friends and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to share with you a very cool feature in DaVinci Resolve 18 that is going to speed up your editing workflow. It's absolutely incredible. It's called Transcribe and it's magic. Sadly, it's only available for DaVinci Resolve Studio version, but maybe, it's a way to convince you to finally buy the Studio version. It's absolutely worth it. I haven't heard one person who said, no, it's too expensive, it's not worth it. Not even one person. And the fact that you can buy DaVinci Studio version once and it's yours with the future updates, it's a no-brainer. Alright, I'm gonna start this tutorial in the media page, okay? So let's assume, you've created already your media folder over here. You've imported your media files, and once everything is done, once everything is imported into DaVinci Resolve, I'm gonna go to the edit page over here. Okay, go to edit page and let's start working. So basically, in order to get the transcription, what you have to do, you can only work one clip at a time. You cannot select multiple clips. Okay, you have to do it one by one. Okay, so this is my clip over here. This is me having an intro and outro of this YouTube video. I know it's about 6 minutes long, and what I'm gonna do in order to transcribe, I'm gonna go here, okay, right click and go to audio transcription. All right, and then go transcribe. Press on it. Normally it depends how fast your computer is. It depends on the length of your clip, but probably it's going to take about 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. It depends. Just be patient. This is an incredible way of editing because now I've got a window opened over here, you see, and all my takes are here. So I know that this is a mistake, you see. I've stopped over there, and then I made a pause over here. And here I talked for a long time, but let me show you how you can edit with the text. So you see now I started over here, hello friends, let me see here, you see, recording, that's what I said recording for the audio, you see, just over here, and then it transcribed me everything. But I know that this beginning is not good. I'm gonna go and scroll here, and you see this is all my text for the introduction. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and select all this text, just like this, okay? And then DaVinci Resolve actually knows where this portion is. So you see, it put a point in and a point out. So what I can do now, I can actually go now and just press this button over here, and you see, straight away I've got this clip into the timeline. And it's straight away, without any pauses, without wasting time. And if I can quickly read here, if I like this portion over here, then I can go and edit as well. Let me go now. Well, let's say I'm happy with this intro. Let me go and grab the outro. Here it is. This is the outro. I'm going to go and just copy this, just like this, you see, and go again here. If I want to listen to it, I press this. You see, I have to go at the beginning here, press on it. I'm pretty happy with this, so what I'm going to do, okay, you see, you have to stop it, otherwise it's going to go and carry on to the next one. So I'm happy with this outro. What I'm going to go again and press on this, boom. You see, you can go here, grab this text. You can actually save the whole text and create subtitles if you want to, but there is another easier way to create subtitles in DaVinci Resolve, and actually I've got a video on it. I will link it down below for you. And basically this is it. It's so easy. But let's assume you're not doing a YouTube video. Let's assume you're doing an interview and you want to go to the point where your guest said, studio version. Okay, I'm gonna go here to search, and I'm gonna search studio version. Okay, and then go search, and then straight away DaVinci Resolve found all the audio where I say studio version. Here we are a few times. If I go here, straight away it shows me that I pronounced studio version there. If I go here, I had another studio version here. I go and click on it, and then again it shows me that I said studio version here. And it's absolutely incredible, and it speeds up your process, your editing. Just incredible. I've discovered this recently, and to be honest with you, I'll probably use it a lot because, you know, when you edit videos, you probably go over and listen to the video or listen to the track 2, 3, 4, 5 times to make sure, you know, you are getting the right portion of that clip. But now you can actually read it out loud, and you can see if it's, you know, if it's something that suits you or not. And actually there's a really cool way of actually get this text, you know, copy it and then put it in ChatGPT or in any other application, and they can read it for you just to make sure that the text is right. So you can practically automate the whole process now with AI. It makes it so easy, especially if you're an editor or if you are a YouTuber who makes a lot of videos. Really cool. I'm so happy with it. And then obviously later on, if you're finished with this, just go and click on it and close. And then you see here, you've got an icon over here that lets you know that you've transcribed the audio, okay? And that's it, friends. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it interesting and useful. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. And if you like this video, maybe you might want to watch this one as well. Take care, happy creation, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.